Hey, hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 6th July 2021. Here this is the problem they have given, v and inverted v combined pattern. The programmers accept a string integer and it just make a pattern format like this. This is nothing but a given input in a v pattern a, b, c, d, e, f, g, and it is just inverted a, b, c, d and e, f, g. Like how it is happening is, first we need to create a size of n by 2 star matrix. 1 2 3 4 5 6, wait a minute, a, b, c, d, e, f, g, it's 7. So I'm just doing this. 7 by 2 is 3 plus 1 will give you 4, and here we have to make that abcd pattern. First a, come on, don't mess with me. Yeah, this should be b, come on. This should be c, and this should be d. Again we have to go in a upward direction, right? So it will become e and f and g. Now all we have to do is just, no, not changing the color, we have to compare. We got a and g here. We have to compare the first row with the last row. If we do that, uh, in the place of asterisk we just need to print the characters. So it will become a and it will become g, and then we are going to compare the first and last, right? So it will become d. Now we have to check, compare this first and the last minus 1. So if we do that, in the place of asterisk we will get f, and in the place of asterisk we will get b. Likewise we will get c and e here. So if we do that, we got pattern which is nothing but a v and inverted v. So this is all about the theoretical part. Let's see in a programmatical way. As I have told, first we need to get the string input. For that I'm using a variable s, or I'm just using string. The variable name should be smaller. String equal to input dot strip. To get rid of the empty spaces or something given by the user or the computer, I'm just stripping all those values with the keyword or method strip. Now it's time for us to do the operation, which is nothing but for I in range of len of string by 2 plus 1, print star for len of s time. So if I save and run this program, we will get a, b, c, d, e. Yeah, it's a 5. So we got 5 cross 3 matrix which is filled by asterisks. Now we have to put the characters in the correct position, right? So for that, here a should be here, and e should be there, and b should be here, d should be here, and c should be here. Like if you notice that first we got 0 asterisk before it, and the second line we got single asterisk, and the third line we got double asterisk. It's just incrementing with respect to I values, right? So what I'm gonna do is print star into I, which is nothing but 0 star at 0th iteration. Then print string 0 and then print uh, len of string into asterisk. This should be minus of 2, right? So len of string minus 2. Since asterisk or multiplication operator has the higher priority, so it will do 2 into star and then it will do the operation if we remove this bracket. But if it happens, we will get some kind of error like type error. We can't able to add string with the integer value like that. So to get rid of that, I'm just using this parenthesis. So what we have done here is we have print the character and we have, instead of 0 I'm putting I, and then we have printed the asterisk in between them. Finally we have to do that character like string of minus I plus 1, which is nothing but minus 1 minus 2 like that, and then add asterisk with the multiples of I think I have completed all the, yeah. So if I run and execute this program for the value a b c d e, we literally got the proper output, but we need to make some little modification in it. Like we got a b c in a correct position, but in between asterisk made the mess for this cde. So to get rid of that, I'm going to take a temporary variable temp equal to len of s, which is nothing but string, and I'm going to put t minus 2 in the place of len, and I'm going to decrement the temp value for every iteration by 2. So if I do that and executing this, we will get some, we will get a b c d e. We got, what was that, a b c d e, but we got additional c here. To get rid of that, what I'm going to do is making a condition if I not equal to len of string by 2, do this. Otherwise what you have to do is print string of middle, or just do string of I, and then center those value with len of string and asterisk, fill with asterisk for the width len of string. So if I do that and executing this one, we will get a V pattern, right? It just worked fine for every number of or random number of length like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Let me check if this is a odd count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. J, K. So it just give us a V pattern. Now, as we have discussed before, we have to fill the asterisk value with corresponding or parallel character. For that, what we are going to do is we are going to save those values in a list. List equal to an empty list at the beginning, and then it will get implemented list dot append of list of list dot append of list of this value. So print value inside list comma separation with the new line. A B C D E. We got A B C D E. Now we can easily fill the or change the asterisk with the corresponding characters. For that, what we are going to do is for I in range of len of list, and then for j in range of len of list of I, or usually we can do that list of 0, whatever. And then what we are going to do is if list of I of j equal to asterisk and list of I, this should be negative index, which is nothing but the last index I plus 1 of j not equal to asterisk, then do the operation which is nothing but assigning those values inside it. List of I of j equal to list of minus of I plus 1 j. Finally print star of star I for I in list with the separation new line. Yeah, what we have is nothing. It should work. No, we can't able to do that. Join of 5. So if I give A B C D E, we got A B C D E and A B C D E. Oh, that's, yeah, it's working fine. So if I give A B C D E F G, we got ADG BCEF BCEF ADG, which is nothing but the example that we have seen here. That's it guys, that's it for today's video. Here this is the code for your review. Hope you like and enjoy this video. Hope we will meet soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.